Hello, ma'am. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. The appetizer gonna make today is chicken calamares. First, we're going to wear apron and gloves. Without further ado, let's get started. Our ingredients are egg, flour, and chicken breadcrumbs. First, take the chicken and dip into the egg. Then dip it into the flour. Dip again in the egg. And the last one, dip into the breadcrumbs. And well done! Next, prepare the pan and the oil. When the pan is hot, fill up the oil in the pan. Then put the chicken calamari in the pan. And this is the result of our appetizer.